Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to my channel Silly Food Traveler. Today in this video I will show you the 3 hidden gems which are mostly situated outskirts of Nasik city. The gigantic windmill at Panduli Ghat, Gangapur backwater and Someshwar waterfall. Well, Panduli Ghat is about 30 to 35 kilometers from the city. You can type in Google Map Panduli Ghat windmill, but that's not your destination. After reaching the Panduli Ghat, you need to go further 8 kilometers inside to reach the windmill. You need to continue on the same road, but the road is really narrow and muddy. But the view is really breathtaking. Hours together without blinking, I can keep watching the windmill. The spectacular view away from the crowd, having an unusual experience. Coming to this windmill is really worth it. If you are from Nasik and bored at home, then take your family and visit the most iconic windmill at Panduli Ghat. This place is as spotless and pristine as it can get, surrounded by a luxuriant green bed of grassland. It seems as if this place is in the laps of heaven. Being gently touched by the clouds, this place embraces beauty in a way nothing else can. Do you know what is the use of windmill? Well, windmill have been used for pumping water or grinding grains. Today, a wind turbine can use the wind energy to generate electricity. Windmills are mostly mounted on a tower to capture the most energy. Wind energy is a source of reversible energy. It does not contaminate and reduces the use of fossil fuels, which are the origins of greenhouse gases that cause global warming. For these reasons, producing electricity through wind energy and its efficient use contributes to sustainable development. Now walking towards another hidden gem, which is located 20 kilometers away from the city, the Gangapur backwater. Yes, it is also 10 minutes away from Sula Vineyard. This place is good for picnics and good to explore during rainy days. This dam is on Godavari River in Nasik. There is a boat club in the backwater of Gangapur Dam and the entry fee is 50 rupees per person. Yes, now we are inside the boat club. There are a lot of water activities such as jet ski, banana ride, speedboat, family ride inside. The tickets would range from 300 rupees to 1500 per ride. But due to COVID situation, they are only taking online booking. So you can book your tickets from Make My Trip. You can come in the evening time and spend 2 to 3 hours and enjoy the sunset with your friends or family. Snacks are also available inside. On weekends, enjoy this place and have a good time. Yes, it is worth coming to this place. Someshwar waterfall is popularly known as Dudhsagar waterfall. This is also one of the popular hangout places of Nasik. This small and beautiful waterfall is formed over the holy river of Godavari. The height of the waterfall is 10 meters and the place turns very picture square during the monsoons as there is a huge water flow and also lot of greeneries around. It is much loved picnic spot by families to spend a relaxed evening. This waterfall is must visit in rainy season. Next time if I visit Nasik during that time, I will surely visit this place. It will be in my list. Now we are heading towards Trimbakeshwar Shiva temple and it is one of the ancient Hindu temple in Nasik city. But as we went there, we came to know that photography and videography is not allowed to do inside the temple. So this is only one photograph which we have clicked after completing the darshan. So if you like today's video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.